But there's still some creepers left though.
Yes, indeed. You just blew me up. What the heck?
There's one right below us, just to let you know.
Oh my god. You did you okay.
I think it's after me. Yep, it's after me.
What? Okay.
Can you kill it?
I can if I can reach it.
It's not interested in you. Why are all the creepers not interested in you in this place? They're like, oh look, it's
Whoa! Knock him back! Oh no! Ow! Oh shit! Lava, lava, lava! Oh yes! I did it!
I was talking to my brother. Yes. I was talking to my brother. Yes.
Hello? I lava bucket the creeper spawner.
Yeah, just teleport.
I do not have my lava bucket now. It is left by the creeper spawner. The other creeper spawner. It's totally disabled though. Just say. Let me
Any
break.
more? Did I miss any? No, that's all. Oh, there's a sign here saying "Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me." I think that was meant for you.
Okay, I broke that creeper spawner.
Alright, and renew.
Where I got to go in later. I placed down lava bucket before I die, so it disabled that spawner.
Don't fall. There's lava down there.
Whoa, my friend. Or I can just not fall and do this. My
Oh, they're in the walls. They're in the walls.
This is very familiar. This is from a Vex map. This is definitely from a Vex map. This idea is from a Vex. Oh crap!
Why are they all after me? And I'm a half heart. One. Let me just get this first. Okay, nope. Apparently not.
Where is the spider spawners?
It's in the wall. It's one of the holes in the wall. Other side, over here. Nope, I have one half heart.
Whoa! Shit! Lava, 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 lava!
Don't. I got it. Okay. Okay, this. Shit, no.
Hey, let's swim up the
It's
lava.
definitely after me. Don't push me away. Don't do it.
Oh shit!
I did not touch it. You saw I did not touch it.
Yeah, you did not. You just went over it.
That was bullshit.
That was bullshit.
I didn't even touch it. I walked over it and it was like, nope.
You know what?
Lava
Suicide.
can jump now. Lava can definitely jump now. I'm just gonna touch it.
Suicide. Suicide. Lava, lava, lava.
Oh my god. That's nightmare material.
Every time I suicide, I put down lava, so that spawner is dead. I said,
Don't spider. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Oh my god.
whoa shit, what is that?
3.6.
Let's go.
No, the thing is, come here.
What?
Come here. It's like there's a creeper hiding right here.
Uh-huh.
So when I walk past, I see a skeleton there. Oh shit! Turn around, shoot the cave spider. Notice the creeper. It's like, oh shit.
Well, I placed lava right on. Whoops, whoops, whoops,
How'd you do?
whoops.
It committed suicide. Are you comfy down there?
Oh shit! Ouch!
Teleport to me. Teleport to my dead body.
I'm literally teleporting there.
Teleport to my dead body.
I teleported to your dead body!
Yeah, you didn't know we can do that?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
I did teleport and then
I
it
saw you.
ended
I
up
saw you.
here.
I saw you over there. I saw you at my dead body over there. When you
Ready?
I saw you there. Yeah.
Oh, because of the lag, I thought I did not teleport, so I teleport again.
Oh
So
my god. Why?
Never mind,
Why?
we do not have any food anyway.
Why? Why? I had to go through this silverfish infested shithole again.
We have no more silverfish.
You said the walls are silverfish.
Some of them are. The cobblestone are.
I'm running. I'm running. I don't care. I'm rushing. I'm running for dear life.
I'm so scared of silverfish.
Right. Shut up, creepers. I'm running past you. I don't care.
Oh! Dude! Oh! Okay, never mind. Why is there silverfish? Why is there still silverfish? Oh, the creeper blew up. Oh shit! It retargeted!
I am so on edge right now. See, if there was
Okay.
PvP on and you were to teleport me, I would just axe you in the face until you die.
What?
Not yet.
You want to axe me in the face until I die?
No. If I'm so on edge right now that if PvP was on and you teleported to me, you would literally just die. I'm joking. You would be dead.
I'm the one that is blocking every single hole here. And you're the one that's parkouring all the holes. And you threw junk at my face.
Enjoy another nifty shot.
Oh my god. Are you serious? Do not miss. Okay, I miss again.
So where's the shortcut?
Okay. I think that's TNT.
What on earth?
What on earth is this?
So where's the shortcut? So where's the shortcut? Okay.
What the hell?
Wrong way. What? See, spider spawner!
I thought I broke it.
There's one over here in the wall. Over here.
Suicide bomb again. Suicide bomb. It's not cave spiders.
Oh, there's cave spiders also. I saw cave spiders. I think
Ow.
they're after you. Let me just go break.
Whoa! Bomb that rat! Oh, okay. Those are the TNT.
What's with the TNT explosions? What's going on out there? A bridge. Don't wait. Explode. I can still make that, you know.
We are not gonna make it.
I'm gonna make it like this.
Me too! Wow!
BB zombie.
Lava. No. This.
Have you read through the rules? I know.
Oh crap!
Okay, I'm at half a heart. Kill it with fire.
Kill this with fire! Wow, shit! Is that a zombie spawner? It just appeared in my face. Why is it there?
Oh, hold on. No, I need to read the rules. I got the.
Oh crap! That's something right there, and I don't like it.
I'm gonna block myself up here and read the rules.
And that's gonna that's gonna fall right into that lava.
Die in any way you can think of, lava, fire, etc. Don't complete the monument. Never use peaceful difficulty, you cheat. Don't leave the boundaries of the map. Yes, I'm talking to you, you stinking cheater. Keep your hands off my precious wool. Craft, die, or trade your own. You don't have to craft the iron, gold, and diamond block for the monument. You may, of course, use string and sheep wool for other strings. Don't craft, remove, or break glitches. And don't forget to never touch my emerald stick. Are you still looking here? There's nothing here to see, so go and jump into a pit of lava. Oh, you heard the rules.
When I broke up the trap that's up above, I put lava down. I broke it up! Don't open it ever again.
Welcome to a different map. Ready for long version or
Map still by this person.
hey, we got the goal.
Yeah, finally.
Wait, hold on, wait.
Okay, there is an TNT exploding. Whoa, fancy. We aren't gonna make that. Oh crap! What?
Come here. There's another path. Don't stare Steve in the eye.
There we go.
Hey, here, have another weapon. I'm sure you lost the first one. The extra sign. There's a stick, and
A bunch of cake.
I'm taking the cakes.
Nice path, by
Have
the
all my
way.
cobblestone. I'm taking the
Wow, nice path. Nice path. I think you'll love this path, Aaron. You will love it.
spiders. Help!
What?
Hey,
Not
spiders.
today, spiders. Wow, I'm repairing my armor. There we go.
Yeah, you have a new set.
I, re-
Hey, best path ever. Look, I don't even need to stop sprinting. Uh, last jump.
I care for you.
What? I forgot to jump at the last one. I'm like, hey, I didn't need to stop sprinting. Damn, like, oh wait, I forgot to jump.
The best
Oh
way
well.
to do this
Don't
is
cheat.
called
No.
bridging.
Wait, stop. I'll show you how it's done.
I'll show you how it's done without dying.
Dude! Oh my god.
What? What? Ooh! Wait. What's the description? Eating this well, having more than 5 hearts grants 20 absorption hearts. I need the torches. I really need the torches.
I took the golden apple.
Okay, that's cage spiders. Wait.
Hey, spiders.
Not
What the
working.
hell?
That is gonna work.
What the hell?
Seriously, you're blocking.
Move out of my way.
Wow, by the way, I have a better pickaxe than yours.
Okay, I'm a better miner. Oh!
Well, I have a better pickaxe. So what's your point, better miner? Or should I say, what's a miner? Oh! Because you're so scared of cave spiders.
Thing is, I find a lot more diamonds and stuff. Some better. As we've seen from our privacies. Miner, oh, hi.
Run!